you are Nigerian in diaspora, I want you to carefully listen and watch this man. You will learn something, but I don't want you to learn something in the hard way. Learn something from what this man, who spent about 23 years in South Africa, what is currently passing through because of his family members. Kindly listen to him.
I based in South Africa with Cape Town. My name is Bayo Salami. That's my real name. My company is KUVUKI Empire. I'm one of the top models, top promoter in South Africa. So I've done many wonderful shows from Davido to Whiskey to Bakido to MI. My family, I just arrived to Nigerian and because of the family issues, I'm asking for my properties and everything. They deny that they see other development. I don't complain. I told them, okay, no problem. Let me go back to where I came from. And they told me that they have to go to somewhere, which one Alpha will pray for me. Because when I get there, I can have a blessing from God. I said, it's all right, you're my family. Who I am to judge. Who I am to deny my family. They do all this because of my own achievement and my own progress. When I arrived there, one Alpha just told me that I should come inside the room. Meanwhile, I'm thinking that maybe she wanted to pray for me. Suddenly, he just pushed me inside one room. Now, I saw some people there that are there for like 6 months, 1 year. And their living condition is very terrible. Okay. I was like, what am I doing here? So, throughout the day...
So, when did you get here to the first place?
I'm going to go to 17 days now. 17
days?
Yeah.
So, how have you been feeling yourself?
My family, sometimes they deliver for twice in a day. And the living condition there is very terrible. I wish everybody can go there right now to go and confirm the living condition.
Why did you take it there?
I don't understand. I said because I'm smoking cigarettes. If I went to Dubai, they don't drink alcohol. There's no cigarette in Dubai. It's a Quran Bible. There's no fast against cigarettes. I'm not a drunkard. I've just check my page on my Instagram. See what I've done for the industry, the Nigerian industry. See the way I look like now. See the way I look like I'm homeless. I'm not insane.
So what happened today?
Today, I don't know, those guys have already planned something today. I'm like it did yesterday, I'm new to them. So I've been there for 8 months, 7 months, 5 months. So them, because they're living like anarchists. Like you are the leaders of the house, you are the boss of the house. Okay. So sometimes they bring food for me. They collect food from my hand. My sister bought mats for me. They put the mats from my hand. Like, because I have to give to number one of the house. Which I don't want people to touch my body or all this thing. I combine by the law of their house. Okay. Sorry for my because I'm under stress.
I understand.
So now, anything they give you money, the number one was collect money from my hand. You can't say anything to them.
So when did you get to Nigeria?
I came to Nigeria on Christmas. Last year Christmas. No, last 2 years Christmas.
Where did you come from?
No, Abuja. I based in Abuja. I just arrived to Ibadan. Now up to 2 months, I came to Ibadan. No. So when I arrived to Ibadan, I'm staying in a hotel. Before Cosmo Hotel. In Ajibode there. Yeah. So then, my other brother stayed in Lakoto. Ajibode in Lakoto. Before Osaji.
How many years did you spend abroad?
23 years.
23 years?
Yeah. Totally. South Africa, Malaysia, Cyprus, from West Africa, Cotonou, Ghana, Togo. The same name, go to me, go to my Facebook. All my generation, my life from 16 years old to today, you saw my picture, my everything.
If you are a Nigerian diaspora, I don't want this to be your story. I've said it severally on this channel that you shouldn't trust your family members. Most of them want to be in your position. Nigeria is hard for so many people, and you in diaspora, US, Canada, Australia, UK, you have the opportunity to be there. Most of them, their prayer point is for them to be there too. Even if you said that being in UK is hard, the billing is too much. In US, the billing is too much. But you still have extra to buy property. The best thing to do is not to pass through your family members. There are several times that family members have approached even us, the realtor, to inflate price because they keep saying that my brother, in UK don't give me money, and now you want to buy property, they will come to us and tell us that the price is 20 million naira. Tell him that the price is 25 million naira so that I can get 5 million naira extra. And I have lost a lot of sales because I refuse that kind of offer. And do you want to know the truth? Most of the time, those their relative will still go back to these potential clients who want to buy property and see blackmail us and say we are not professional enough, and whatever they say, because of the brother or the sister trust them, they will go with them. I don't have challenge with that. At least that also saved my head. I've lost countless deal because of the buyer decided to involve the brothers or the sisters, because I decided not to bend to the rules. I understand what it means for you in Canada, in UK, in Australia, in whatever country you are, working every single hours, 15, 16 hours to make money, and somebody right here in Nigeria want to take advantage of you. Listen to me. Let me tell you the best thing to do. The best thing to do whenever you want to buy property right here in any state in Nigeria. The simplest way, go on YouTube and type Rector in that location, or go on Google and type in Lagos in that location. For instance, you want to buy property in Abuja, for instance, you can type Rector in Abuja. You will see several of them. Go to the YouTube channel, put their name on Google and search about them. Let me show you example. For instance, if you type my name, for instance, Dennis Isong on Google, let me show you so that I can see it. If you type my name on Google, Dennis Isong on Google, you will see Google will tell you who I am. You also notice that I have been featured in different news platforms. For instance, Bala Naija published my article every single week. Punch NG also have published my article. Guardian, The Nation, several international organizations have published my article. So that shows that I'm credible. I cannot run away with your money. If you search, just do it yourself. Go to your Google now and type Dennis Isong. You will see several of my articles, and that is not all. Several international and local organizations has also given me several awards. That is not all. I've also collected top rater with so many reputable company right here in Lagos, Nigeria. So there is no how on earth you will contact somebody like us to help you to own a property in Lagos, then we will not deliver, because immediately we don't deliver. You can easily go on Google or go on YouTube, do a video about it, and even talk about it. Because I'm in the business of helping Nigerians in diaspora, I will not want to fall your hand. That is why I will recommend that when you want to buy a property, work with a professional. If you're looking at buying a property in Lagos, I will recommend that you work with us. Let's assist you in buying that property. I will strongly recommend you do that, because you are rest assured. We have several testimonies. Let me show you some of the testimonies.
Hi, this is Janalia and
Femi Soya.
So this video is to show our appreciation to Dennis Isong, our real estate agent, and especially for any diasporans out there that's looking for a trustworthy Nigerian. Yes, I said it. A trustworthy Nigerian.
Yeah, there are not too many of them.
Yeah, that's going to help you secure your property and make sure you get all the appropriate documents and make sure that it's legit.
Without drama.
Yes. So Mr. Dennis, thank you so much. We really appreciate you, because we are two people that have been through a lot. We're trying to acquire property in Nigeria, and it's very refreshing to find someone who is in your corner, who's there to make sure that everything is executed properly. So thank you so much, and we look forward to doing business with you again in the future.
Hey everyone, my name is Ijoma. Dennis is a great person to work with. I don't remember when or how we met. I'm not even sure of how I stumbled upon his website, but I'm here to tell you that it had to have been an act of God on how I met Mr. Dennis. I became interested in real estate. When I realized that my mom, who is Nigerian, she was unsuccessful in purchasing land. So years went by and I just thought it was a good idea to take some of the extra money that we had and purchase land. If anyone is looking to purchase land, definitely recommend Dennis Isong. He is amazing. Even if you have a little bit, he'll work with you with that little bit.
I've known Mr. Dennis Isong for the past 3 years now. Actually, Dennis has helped me to buy some property in Ekbe and other parts of Lagos. I met Dennis online. Actually, I was researching to buy property in Nigeria. So I said, let me look online, and I come in contact with Dennis online. I called him, we spoke, and my spirit was with him. I said, okay, this is the right guy. So if you really do need a trusted agent in Nigeria, I think Dennis is the right person to be with. If anybody wants to use it, they can use him. He's a humble guy, very, very, very well respected.
These are different people that we have worked with, and you don't have any challenge. And all of them, they are all Nigerians in diaspora. Give us a call. Let's help you. Work with a professional so that your mind can be at rest. I've said it, don't depend on your family members. If you must involve them, this is how to go about it. First, contact the realtor. Let the realtor show you the property and you are okay with it. Secondly, tell them to come and see the property. Tell them to also come and see the company. At least with that, they've seen the property, they've seen the company. At least they know that the company exists. Then whenever I want to make the payment, pay directly to the company. Don't even pay to a realtor. For instance, if you are buying property through one of our property like Amen Estate, which is selling now, you pay directly to the company. You don't pay to us. What we do, we are your eye here. We help you to facilitate every single thing so that you'll be rest assured. The document, when it's ready, we can send it to you in UK or in Canada, anywhere you are, or we can deliver to them physically if you want us to give it to your family members. But let them just be your site. But if you don't trust them, rest assured that we, your realtor, we are to your service. So give us a call. Let's make this happen for you. Thank you for staying to this point. I appreciate you. My name is Dennis Isong.